Hello guys. Today we will see how to do Playwright setup in Windows machine. Okay. So we are doing a Playwright setup in Windows machine. So go to Explorer. Go to C drive and create folder. Oh, Playwright. Okay. So this is our new folder, Playwright folder, and open the Visual Studio Code. I am familiar with the Visual Studio Code. Open the Visual Studio Code. Open folder. Go to C drive and open this empty folder. Now we are in the folder structure. Okay. So this is the folder, project folder. Okay. And we need to install the Playwright, right? Go to terminal, open the terminal, new terminal. Here, Playwright. So we have some documentation of go to Playwright and open the docs. See installation. We can process installation process we can do. So we npm. So config.ts. So copy this, copy it, npm init playwright test. Okay. So this is our new project. So from basic, like how to create the project, we are doing setup, and we will work from this project. Since it is also you want to work with TypeScript or JavaScript, I will say TypeScript. So when where do you put end-to-end tests? Let it be tests. Okay. GitHub Actions false. Install Playwright browser. So do manually. Okay. So Playwright browsers we're asking to set up. So downloading browsers. So the setup is done. Now go here. See. So you got it right. All node modules. So here we can see all the jars of the modules and tests where you are going to maintain the test cases. Test examples are there. So git ignore it created automatically. Some git ignore and all. So some yeah, this is necessary. So package log iPhone log JSON file. So this is about the hmm, jars information. We can find it here. So this is the heart of the Node.js. So package.json file where you can find the project. You will find the dependency installation of C Playwright, whatever you can see here. This is the heart of the Node.js. So this file is mandatory. It should be here. And configurations. You can set the configurations here. User defined configurations here. This is must config. It will create automatically. Okay. This is the Playwright setup. And so we will do some configurations to our Playwright. So basic needs, right? We are running test only test, right? So we are not implementing all these things. So later we will see. So for now, this is fine. For now, what I'm doing some setup. Okay. We will use, okay. Mm, so we will use the browsers, only browser Chromium we will use it here. I will set the browser. Mm, browser name, browser name. I will use Chromium. Okay. We will run only in the Chromium for now. So we have multiple browser. We will try to everything we are going to keep it. So Firefox and all we will run later. For now, we are running only in the okay. We are only running in the Chrome. Okay. The setup is done. Okay. So this is the Playwright setup. From next session onwards, so we will try to create a new test cases. Okay, this is the setup. I hope this is very helpful session. Yes, thank you.